Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. Fantastic Friday. Yesterday, it was I took it easy yesterday, all around. I really did. I don't know if I was a little dehydrated. I don't know. But dinner was super simple. They were BTAs. Bacon, tomato, and avocado sandwiches with the Mediterranean barley salad. Super simple. Today, not so simple. Moo Goo Gai pan over brown rice. Yes. Let's take a look. Got some hardware. Got the baking dish for the rice and the wok. It's a wok day. Yes. Doing chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. A little bit of olive oil for the wok. Yes, I use olive oil on my wok. Get over it. We got mushrooms, garlic, straw mushrooms. I got those over at the Big X Market in Linda, California. I got some bamboo shoots, some water chestnuts, some broccoli. That's going to be the guts of it. I might add a veggie or two that I've got hanging around. For the sauce, it's chicken stock, low sodium soy sauce, some oyster sauce, mirin, which I picked up also at the Big X Market. The price of this size bottle is the same price or just a little less than the smaller bottle you can get at like Bel Air. So there's some cornstarch, some just good old white granulated sugar in that sauce. And there's my brown rice. So yeah, not too complicated, not a lot of knife work, but there's plenty to be done. So we've got a little bit of therapy going on here. So on this fantastic Friday, what are you up to? I hear the Peach Festival is in Marysville tomorrow. Are you going? Not me. Too hot. Avoiding crowds. No. But it's there. We have, honestly, the best peaches in the nation. Come on, Georgia. Catch up. All right. On this fantastic Friday, have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.